We'll examine and talk about the features and advantages of some of the top waterproof covers for the GoPro Hero 13 in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Telesin waterproof case. If you need solid and long-lasting protection for your GoPro Hero 13, the Telesin waterproof case is a great option. This case is ideal for a variety of water-based sports like surfing, snorkeling, and scuba diving because it is made of premium materials and is built to survive the roughest conditions. Featuring a tight clasp and an improved waterproof sealing ring that effectively prevent water leaks. With your GoPro, you can record underwater action down to 60 meters without having to worry about leaks. 3-pack dive filters, red, light, and magenta, come with the Telesin waterproof equipment. Under 5 to 25 meters, color correcting is the primary application for these filters. Quick-release buckle mount and screw are included in the package, which makes it easy to mount your GoPro to additional accessories including tripods, backpacks, and suction cups. Depending on your activity and surroundings, you can easily move between using your GoPro Hero 13 with or without the case thanks to its user-friendly design. The shell also has large buttons that make it simple to access the camera's functions, even when holding the device underwater or while wearing gloves. On number 2, we have Fitstill waterproof case. Another excellent choice for GoPro Hero 13 owners looking for dependable and all-around protection is the Fitstill waterproof case. The Fitstill case is well known for its sturdy design and outstanding waterproofing qualities, making it perfect for a range of water sports like swimming, diving, and kayaking. This waterproof housing case successfully prevents water leaks thanks to an enhanced watertight sealing ring and tight clasp. With the GoPro Hero 13 Black, you can record underwater action down to 60 meters, 196 feet, without having to worry about leaks. The clear and vivid shooting effect will not be compromised. Provides the sharpest possible image both above and below the water. Perfect for diving, snorkeling, surfing, and other water sports, this item is waterproof up to 60 meters. With this clear cover, you can be confident that your GoPro Hero 13 keeps its well-known color accuracy and sharpness throughout your footage. In underwater photography and filmmaking, where visibility is frequently limited, this is extremely crucial. On number 3, we have Suptig waterproof case. For owners of the GoPro Hero 13 who require durable protection for their action camera, the Suptig waterproof case is a reliable and flexible choice. By placing a piece of toughened glass in front of your camera, you may improve light transmission 98%, allowing you to take more attractive, realistic photos. Stainless steel construction keeps the gear from rusting even after it is used in the sea. You don't need to worry about rust when diving into the sea. Additionally, the anti-scratch lens cover guarantees that the clarity of the image endures even under harsh, prolonged use. User ease was a priority in the design of the Suptig waterproof case. Its simple locking mechanism allows for speedy installation and removal while ensuring a secure fit. Depending on your activity, this makes it easy to choose between using your GoPro Hero 13 with or without the case. Moreover, the case has sizable, simple-to-press controls that let you easily use your camera underwater or while wearing gloves. So these are some of the best cases to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.